Welcome to an instructional video about how to use the CZUR scanner located in the FIMS Graduate Library. This scanner is free to use and is ideal for scanning chapters of books as well as other documents. The CZUR scanner is located at the computer bar of the FIMS Graduate Library. To begin, sign into the Scanning Only station with your FIMS username and password. While the computer is logging in, make sure the scanner is turned on by feeling the on-off switch at the back of the machine and place the item that you are scanning on the black mat. Once you are logged into the computer, double-click the CZUR icon to launch the application. When the application has opened, press the Scan button on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will launch the scanner, and you'll be able to see the item you are scanning on the monitor. Before you start scanning, you need to adjust the settings along the right-hand side. Select the color mode and processing method. For most books, this would be black and white and facing pages. The Facing Pages option tells the scanner that you are scanning a book, so it will provide a guiding line for the spine of the book and will automatically process the scan into 2 pages. To begin scanning, line up the book or document with the guidelines and press the external scan button or click on the camera in the bottom right corner of the screen. Along the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the scan being processed. Once processed, you can flip the page and press the Scan button again. Continue this process until you have scanned all the pages you need. You can also select Auto Scan from the bottom right corner, in which the scanner will automatically start scanning when it detects that you have turned a page. Additionally, if the book is too light to stay open and lay flat on its own, you can use the large butterfly clip or the yellow and black holders to keep the pages as flat as possible. Once you have scanned all of your pages, click the Back button in the top left corner. Along the right-hand side, you can view each of your scanned pages to double-check that they are easy to read. From this menu, you can delete any blank or unnecessary pages, or if there are some that are blurry or were cut off, you can click the Replace button, which will reopen the scanner. There, you can rescan the specified page in order to replace the illegible version. You can also edit all of your scans at once by clicking on Batch from the upper left-hand side of the screen. Here you can change the color mode, rotate, crop, change the quality, and so on. Once you are satisfied with your scans, ensure that they are all selected, then click Export on the top left menu. You can export as a TIFF file, Word document, PDF, or searchable PDF. The searchable PDF allows you to use functions like Control-F, which is useful when using the scans for assignments. Select your file choice, follow the prompts on the screen, and choose where to save your file. Once the file has been processed, you can transfer it to a USB or your OneDrive account, email it, or print it. After you are finished, you can batch delete and start a new scan or exit the application. Please note that your scans will be deleted when you exit. If you would like an in-person tutorial or experience any problems when using the scanner, feel free to ask for help at the FIMS Graduate Library Service Desk.